Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach Mandarin. Please subscribe to my channel. So last week on our first episode, we learned about water, how water is called in Mandarin, which water is called as shui, and tea is called sha, and coffee is called as cafe. But today we'll be learning basic communication in Mandarin. But I want to add Nigeria Pidgin English to it so our Nigerians will understand. So this will be a bit fun, adding Nigeria Pidgin English to this learning or this lecture. So it will be more familiar with Nigerians. So this will be English. This will be English. Okay. This will be Nigeria Pidgin. Nigeria Pidgin. And this will be Pinyin. Pinyin is also the romanization of Mandarin. So let's start. This is hello. Hello. In Pidgin English, we call it alpha. Alpha. In Mandarin, alpha, like hello, is ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin is ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Just like you're pronouncing how. Ni hao. Ni hao. So the next one there is how are you? How are you? In Pinyin English, we say how are you as how you dey, or how body, how you dey, or how body. So in Mandarin, how are you is ni
Oma.
Ni Oma. Ni Oma. Ni Oma. Ni Oma. That's how we pronounce how are you in Mandarin. Ni Oma. You know, today I removed the Chinese letters. That's the Hanzi. Because of I need to put Pidgin English because of Nigerians. So when someone asks how are you, you reply I am fine, thanks, or thank you. So in Pidgin English, I'm fine is like I dey okay. Some people say thank you in Pidgin English, but some people say, oh, you too much, or you try. Though I dey fine, thank you, or you too much. You too much. Like this is too much, like kind of appreciation, like telling somebody you did well for asking about how I feel. You too much. I did okay. That's Pidgin English. That's Nigeria Pidgin English. I did okay. Like too much appreciation. So when somebody say I'm fine, then in Pidgin English, I did okay. So in Mandarin, I am fine is wo ho is wo ho xian wo ho xian. This means I am fine, thank you. Wo on xian means I am fine, thank you. You know, you sound like having a conversation, telling like ni Oma, how are you? You reply, wo on xian, I am fine. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Then you want to reply the person back by saying, how about you? How about you? In Pidgin English, like asking back, how you dey? Or how your matter be? You understand? How your matter be or how you dey? So in Mandarin, we call it Nina. 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 So when the person asks, how about you, Nina, you reply by saying, I am fine. That's I dey okay. I dey okay. So in Mandarin, I'm fine is ni. No, sorry. I'm fine is wo ho. So reply back I'm fine is wo ho. So let's just focus on Mandarin and Pidgin English from both Nigerians. So ni ho, like saying hello afar. Ni ho. So you reply by saying ni ho ma, how are you? Then you want to reply the person back by saying I am fine, thank you. Wo ho, xian xian. Wo ho, xian xian. Wo ho, xian xian. I talk very fast, so just listen. Wo ho, xian xian. Like I'm fine, thank you. Like in Pidgin English, I do okay. Thank you, you try. So what about you? You say Nina. Nina means what about you? Nina means what about you? So kindly subscribe to my channel. This is my second episode. I'm not a Chinese, I'm a Nigerian. I'm learning Chinese and also trying to teach it. The more I teach it, the more I understand, the more I know. So encourage me by subscribing, sharing, and hit your notification button. So this is our lesson for today. This is episode 2, where we learn basic communication. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. And the Pinyin English, how far? How you dey? I do okay. Too much. How you dey? I do okay. Ni ho ma. Wo he ho xian xie. Nina. Wo he ho. Thank you for watching.